Have a good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Madeline Duarte, 36 years old from Buntong, Palawan, Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines. I'm high school grad, Roman Catholic. My height is 162.5 centimeter and my weight is 50 kilograms. My mother's name, Jonicia V. Duarte. She is a housewife. My father's name, Bibincio A. Duarte. He is a truck helper. I have 3 brothers and 4 sisters. I am the second among 8 siblings. I am a single mother with my live-in partner. We have 1 kid, 4 years old. My live-in partner name is Daniel Soong. He is a welderman. I have 2 years experience as a housemaid since June 16, 2016 to July 14, 2018. We have 3 housemaid and 1 cook. We serve a couple family with 4 children. First child, he is 16 years old, it's a boy. Second child, 9 years old, it's a girl. A third child, he is 7 years old, it's a boy. A fourth child, 4 years old, it's a boy. And my other duties, cleaning house, washing clothes, ironing clothes. And mom and sir, I don't know how to cook Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn. Mom and sir, my first time to go to work in Hong Kong. I'm willing to go to work in Hong Kong. Mom and sir, I do my best to my duties and responsibilities. Thank you. Have a nice day, mom and sir.